Hello guys! How are you? Kumusta? Welcome back to my home cooking channel, Almita's Kitchen. What we are going to make today is we are grilling a chicken thigh, indoor grilling. I already marinated it with oyster sauce, fish sauce, a little bit of chicken powder seasoning, sesame oil, brown sugar, and I have garlic in here and paprika. So you just and a ginger powder also. So we are making these with a zucchini that we have, but we have to cook the chicken. We have to grill the chicken first, and then after that I'm gonna show you how to do the zucchini. All right, and let's have some fire. Okay, and I have my skillet grill, whatever you call this. I love this stuff. This is my friend. You can start high on the heat. Once it gets hot, you can adjust the heat. Okay, so here's the chicken thigh. Again, you will say, why chicken thigh? Well, I like chicken thigh because when you're cooking them, it doesn't get dry so much. There's more fat in it. I mean, that's for me. Alright, so there you go. Sizzler. You can adjust the heat. And we put another one in here.
Another one.
And another one.
And another one.
So it's only 3 pieces fit in here. I could squish another one.
Another one.
I think.
And another one.
Yeah, one more. One more this side. Okay, guys. I smell everything. Ginger, all the seasoning in there. It's like having a party in here. Okay, look at that grill mark. It's pretty. So turn it over. Turn it over like that. And make sure your heat is not too high, so you know it doesn't burn the outside. Okay, guys. So this, you just have to constantly checking. Oh my goodness, it is good. Flip it one more time. And a couple minutes, that should be done. Okay, so this is done. We'll put it there. Smells so good. It smells really good. Alright. Already ready. Now we're gonna put our next batch. So this is almost done. Look at the finished product. Oh my god, I can't wait. I can't wait to taste it. Smells good. And then When we're done with that, ta-da! We have our zucchini that I'm going to make next. Alright, this is done. This one is also done. Alright. So, this is our chicken. I'll put it in here because it's a little bit hot. Just right there. And then I'm gonna move these aside because now we are going to make our zucchini. I'm gonna have to get some butter. I'm just gonna use half of the butter. You just slice some butter. Three and four. A little bit more. There you go. Let it melt. Melty melt. You can use olive oil in here too, guys, but butter is actually it's more tastes more better than olive oil. I don't know why. For me. Just for me. Alright. Now we'll add our garlic, minced garlic, together with our onion. Just half of the yellow onion. Okay, and after that, we add our green zucchini. Yellow zucchini. Whoa, that's a lot. That's a lot. But again, this one, once it cooks, it will, you know, the amount of it will shrink. So you stir it. Make sure. Oh my God, it smells good. The butter and the onion and the garlic, guys, is really smelling good in here. So just like that, and we will season it. Just season it simply, just salt and pepper. This one is salt and pepper that I mix them together, guys. Just like that. Okay. Okay, guys. And we'll just let it saute like that. Let's go ahead and cover it so it will, the steam help it. Cookie cook. Oh, so let's cover it like that. Okay, for let's see 5 minutes, and then we'll come back and check it. Okay, let's check our zucchini. Our zucchini. Wowie. It's cooking, but to me it needs more butter, guys. This recipe, the more butter you put, the more it gives the taste. So I am adding more of butter. Yeah. This is it. This it. Luto na guys! Luto na! Ang atong gulay. Ready to eat na. Wow! Let me try it. Let me taste it. It's hot. It is hot. Yep, it's good. It's ready. All done. Oh my god, it's so good. The butter and the zucchini, the salt and the pepper, the onion and the garlic. It's so good. So here you go guys. This is our dinner or lunch or breakfast, wherever you are in the world. I know in the Philippines right now is morning, so this is gonna be breakfast or lunch. So this is our finished product. Very simple, very easy. If you like this recipe, don't forget to hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe and share, and also try it for yourself. Cook it your way, okay? And next time I'm gonna show you another recipe of mine, and I will see you. Take care. Bye bye. Next time we're gonna grill some raccoon. No, just kidding. No raccoon. No raccoon for me. My kiwi wants my barbecue.